I'm going to show you how to use two colours to get as many shades of green as you would like without having to buy all the individual colours, which can turn out to be very expensive. My two colours today, my blue, I have cadmium, Winsor blue, which I've already mixed here on my palette, and I'm also working with cadmium yellow on this palette here, which I'm going to mix now. I normally mix my colours using a pipette because it's very important with watercolours to work with clean water, and therefore you get a fresher, brighter painting. So I'm going to take just a few drops of yellow of water into my dish and just judge it by eye. I can always add more if need be. And I'm now going to mix my yellow in. And because I haven't used very much water, I'm going to get quite a nice strong yellow to work with. Maybe try a wee piece on my paper just to check. Yeah, that's nice. So we've got our two colours. We've got our cadmium yellow, and we're going to mix in our Winsor blue, and we're going to look at our various shades of green that we can get. So pages, we've got our strip, we've split it into 8 sections for our 8 samples of colour. So I'm going to keep our starting colour of cadmium yellow, really, so we can remember which yellow we've used and we can compare how it works. So there's my nice yellow, and now I'm going to take a small amount of my blue. Blue is very strong, so it doesn't need much to add to it. I'm going to mix that in. You can see already we're beginning to get some greeny tones. I'm just going to take a little dot more. It's nearly a mustardy green. So about three wee dots of blue have gone in there, and we'll now look. So greeny yellow, maybe add a little bit more. Really a dirty yellow. Okay, and then take my blue again. You can see lovely greens coming through. Nice fresh spring green. Add more blue again. Add it through. Keep going. And we notice we start with yellow and add in the blue. Blue is really, really strong. If you started with blue, it'd be very difficult to keep adding small amounts of yellow to get back to your nice soft colours. So always start with your lighter colour and add your strong blues into it. Already we've got 4 shades, which if we didn't develop the skill of mixing our own colours, it would be rather expensive buying every shade of green that we might want to use, particularly if we're going to work in landscapes and so on. Oh, not quite a difference there. No point in being so subtle that we can't see it. impossible in any house to have it absolutely quiet. Can't stop time. There's about 4 wee dips have gone in. Like so. And my last piece, I'm going to make it nice, strong, really dark green. Keep mixing it through the way we want. There we go. I'm going to keep a little edge there because I want to keep a record of my starting blue. There we go. I'm now going to clean out my brush. Always keep 2 waters, one to water for cleaning the brush, getting the paint off it, and then a second water, nice clean water. And all I want to do is put an edge of my nice blue that I started with down there. There we have our full range of greens. Yellowy greens, spring, right through to nice, darker, fuller greens.